Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we delve into the fascinating history of a delicacy that evokes both admiration and controversy, foie gras. Let's begin at the beginning. Foie gras has a rich history dating back to ancient times. The first traces are found in ancient Egypt, where it was discovered that geese in their natural habitat would enlarge their livers before migrating. This led to the artificial fattening of geese and ducks to achieve a similar effect. But the modern production process, as we know it, emerged in the 18th century in France. French farmers perfected the technique of fattening geese, marking the beginning of the era of modern foie gras production. France remains one of the main producers to this day, although it is produced globally. Let's take a look at the production process. For about 3 weeks, geese are subjected to gavage, force feeding. They are fed 2 to 3 times a day with a mixture of corn and grains. This intensifies the storage of fat in the liver, enlarging and softening it. However, the practice of fattening geese is banned in several countries, including Switzerland, Norway, Argentina, the Netherlands, Turkey, and even in the U.S. state of California. Despite these bans, a significant amount is imported from other countries. And then we come to the end product on our plate, the enlarged liver of the goose or duck. Foie gras is often prepared by cooking, steaming, or poaching the liver. It can be served as PT, terrine, or sliced. Geese liver has a delicate, sweet taste and a smooth, unctuous texture, while duck liver seduces the palate with its more pronounced flavor reminiscent of local tastes. Producing foie gras is no easy feat, leading to high prices. Geese and ducks are fed abundantly because foie gras can only be called foie gras when the liver weighs 300 grams. Prices can easily soar to $76 per kilogram. The foie gras entire, also known as 100% pieces, is the best and, consequently, the most expensive. This foie gras is composed of joined lobes to create a single piece. The bloc de foie gras is prepared with at least 30% foie gras of the total weight. However, this luxury delicacy may not be beneficial for those who consume it. New research indicates that diseases such as Alzheimer's, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis may be caused or exacerbated by foie gras consumption. A recent American study on the amyloid proteins present in duck liver dishes suggests that these proteins are particularly dangerous for foie gras eaters, especially those with a family history of Alzheimer's or diabetes. Let's not overlook the ethical concerns surrounding foie gras. The process of force feeding has faced criticism for alleged animal cruelty. Ducks and geese often suffer injuries to the neck and throat, infections, and fractures during the process. In some cases, the livers reach a size 10 times larger than their natural dimensions. Force feeding and unnatural fattening of the liver cause horrific and unnecessary suffering to the animals. The age at which a goose is slaughtered varies depending on the specific purpose of production. In the context of the foie gras industry, where geese are force-fed for their liver, they are usually slaughtered at around 12 to 16 weeks of age. This is often the point at which the liver has reached the desired size. That brings us to the end of this journey through the history and present of foie gras. A tale of culinary refinement, but also a story that challenges us to consider the ethics behind our food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.